Hey guys, we received this easy home blood glucose monitor kit for test and try. So this is a GlucoseEase blood sugar testing kit with the 100 glucometer strips and 100 blood lancets. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice small portable travel box where you can store this. They are the different strips that comes with it, and then also the lancets. So this is the small portable glucometer, and you can just see like the batteries in here. You have to remove this protective covering as well and then use it. So you can easily enter the things. This is the lancet, or you can put in for the piercing device or the pen. So here are the lancet that you can just put it in the pen after taking out the top cover. So once you put in, and you can adjust the the height or the depth you want to get punctured for. So these are the strips that comes with it. They also have a code on it, so you have to match the code on the top and then with the machine. So I'm just removing this protective covering from this battery so that it will start working, as you can see. And now you have to just put in the strip with the conduction strip. So the basically it's a, manual glucometer where you have to pierce in your blood in and then put it on the side of this strip. As you can see, a small capillary in here. So once you put in the blood in this capillary, it will start reading and show you there. So as the personal information, we cannot show you that blood thing, but yeah, you can easily remove this lancet and it's ready for the reuse. So very nice working glucometer.